In this video, I'll be showing you how to auto-fit rows and columns in Excel spreadsheet. So I have this Excel here, and I want to auto-fit the columns and Excel so that the rows and columns so that we can have a clear view of that particular data. So the first method, just click or just click anywhere, press Ctrl A, press Ctrl A again to select everything, or we can as well place your cursor on this little triangle here, then click on it to select everything. Then put your cursor on border between any of these border, and then cell border, and then we double click on it to auto fit the columns. Then on the row, double click on it. So that's the first method. Then the second method, just place or click inside of this data, then press Ctrl A, go to cells and click on format and choose Autofit row height, and go to format again and Autofit width. So that's the second method, but if you want to use shortcut or combination of keys, just select the data, then you can highlight, or you can just click inside the data and then Control A, and then press Alt A, and then not Alt A, sorry, Alt H, then to go to format, press O, and then to auto fit rows, press A, then Alt H again, then press O to go to format, and then I to auto fit columns, like that. So that's all. See you in the next tutorial.